Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely beautiful Yamaha Velocity Moto XSR900LC. Here we have a Yamaha XSR900 VelocityMoto.com 900LC. This is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate with just 1,746 miles. This bike is absolutely stunning and the attention to detail really does need to be seen to be believed. Of course, this bike is the XSR900 but based on the iconic RD250 or 350 LC of the late 70s, early 80s, and the attention to detail, as I said, is fantastic. You've got that nose cone fairing there. The paintwork is a lovely pearlescent white. It really is beautiful. Really does shine in the light. Hopefully you'll pick that up on the video. The wheels there in the white looking absolutely fantastic. The blue hoses, the belly pan, the paintwork is absolutely amazing. You've got that retro seat there, very, very reminiscent of the RD250 and 350. The private plate there, LC11YAM, that does stay on the bike. The rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one. Those exhaust pipes are an absolute thing of beauty. They are a very, very honest replica of the original pipes on the 250 and 350 LC. Not all of these Velocity Moto bikes have that as an extra that someone's paid for, probably handsomely, I must say. Left hand side of the bike, absolutely stunning as well. There really is nothing to apologise for on this bike. It is absolutely like new. As I said, hopefully you can pick out the attention to detail that's gone into this bike. There's that paint. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in that. Absolutely tremendous. Carbon fibre surround on the clocks there. And those alley levers with the retro mirrors fitted. I think this thing's absolutely brilliant. A real collector's piece. You'll certainly never be lonely if you find yourself at a bike night or a bike meet. Everyone's going to want to talk to you about this bike. There's retro indicators tucked under there. Absolutely stunning. That left-hand exhaust, again, just a work of art. This really is a beautiful machine. Those nice little indicators tucked in under the nose cone there. Really great attention to detail. There's no marks anywhere on this bike. It really is like new. The front tyre's got loads of life left in it, as you'd expect, for just 1,746 miles. If you're looking for something a little bit different to add to your collection, maybe you like the look of the old two-strokes, but you can't be bothered with the faff of running one, then this could very well be the bike for you. So this bike is based on the 3-cylinder XSR900. They sound absolutely fantastic. Let's fire it up and have a listen. Absolutely cracking. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful 900LC, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.